One of the most famous free Google services is 8888, which provides a public domain name service to the world. DNS is what translates Internet's hostnames to addresses, and as you might imagine, Google has a highly developed DNS infrastructure. It makes 8888 available so that everyone can take advantage of it. But what about the Internet's hostnames and addresses of applications built in Google Cloud? Google Cloud offers Cloud DNS to help the world find them. It's a managed DNS service that runs on the same infrastructure as Google. It has low latency and high availability, and it's a cost-effective way to make your applications and services available to your users. The DNS information you publish is served from redundant locations around the world. Cloud DNS is also programmable. You can publish and manage millions of DNS zones and records using the Cloud Console, the command line interface, or the API. Google also has a global system of edge caches. Edge caching refers to the use of caching servers to store content closer to end users. You can use this system to accelerate content delivery in your application by using Cloud CDN, Content Delivery Network. This means your customers will experience lower network latency, the origins of your content will experience reduced load, and you can even save money. After HTTP load balancing is set up, Cloud CDN can be enabled with a single checkbox. There are many other CDNs available out there, of course. If you're already using one, chances are it's part of Google Cloud CDN Interconnect partner program, and you can continue to use it.